Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix critical error in 2xko game. So if you are getting this error, system error, a critical error has occurred and the process must be terminated. Would you like to create a crash dump to aid the developers in troubleshooting this issue? This may take up to 5 minutes. Note the process may appear unresponsive during this time. So if you are getting this error while launching 2xko game, then here follow the fixes to solve this error. So the first fix is to restart your PC. So simply just restart your PC, and after your PC restarts, then launch the game and check. Second fix is to start VGC service. For this, in the Windows search type services and open it. Now here look for VGC, right click on it and select properties. Now next to startup type, here it is selected manual, click it and click on automatic and then click on start button. Wait for it and then click on apply. OK. Now you can launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. If not, then follow the third solution. The third solution is to run the game as an administrator from the game installation folder or try running the game in compatibility mode. So go to the game installation folder. Mostly the game installation folder is located at C drive, write games folder, and you can then open 2xko folder. Now inside 2xko folder, right click on 2xko exe file and select properties, then go to the compatibility tab and then click the option run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game from the installation folder and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then try running the game in compatibility mode. For this, again go to the compatibility tab. This time select run this program in compatibility mode. From the drop down select Windows 8 and then hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then from the drop down here select Windows 7, then hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to the compatibility tab. Now this time select disable full screen optimization option as well, then hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then again go to the compatibility tab. Now untick all these 3 boxes and then hit apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 4 is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So close Steam, Epic Games Launcher or other games launcher, disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, multiple monitor connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel and the task for MSI Afterburner, Riva Tuner, HW Info, Razer Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Fix 5 is to disable overlays. This has also solved the issue for many players. So disable NVIDIA overlay, open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings general, then turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as Discord, GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, and then launch the game and check. Sixth solution is to allow 2xko through antivirus or disable antivirus program for a while. So if you are using any third-party antivirus like Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, then allow the game exe file to your antivirus program, or you can just simply turn off your antivirus program for a while, then launch the game and check, and later on you can turn on your antivirus program. Seventh solution is to update graphics card driver. So simply update your graphic card driver and then launch the game and check. If your problem is not solved, then perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you are having NVIDIA graphic card driver, then go to NVIDIA website. If you are having AMD graphic card driver, then go to the AMD website, and if you are having Intel graphic card driver, then go to the Intel website. I am showing the example of NVIDIA. So go to this NVIDIA website. The links are given in the video description. Now once you are on NVIDIA website, here select the version of your NVIDIA graphic card driver, select Windows operating system, then click on find. The latest graphic cards version will be on the top. So click on view, then click on download, and once this exe file get downloaded, then run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow, and then click OK. You will see this screen. Click on agree and continue, then select custom advanced option, then click on next, then select this box perform a clean installation, and then hit next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, restart your PC and then launch the game and check. 8th solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall 2XKO game from your PC, then delete the game folder related to 2XKO, then restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If you have already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another external SSD drive. So by following these fixes, I hope you will be able to fix the critical error in 2XKO game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.